So we know in our business that we need to be networking, we need to be prospecting in order to make money because the money is in other people's pockets. But how do you build a business on social media when you have a full-time job or you have a sick kid or you're just not feeling it that day? Well, in this video, I am going to show you a little secret that I like to call let your profile do the talking for you. Hi, if you're new to this channel, I'm Lindsay Sewell. You can go over to lindsaysewell.com and jump on my email newsletter. That is where you will get the best information about all the content that I'm putting out, any of the programs that I have for sale, and everything that can help you build your online business, keep it simple, create leverage, and stand out from all the noise online. So today we're going to talk about a little thing I like to call let your profile do the talking. Now, everybody knows that in order to build a successful business, you have to also build an audience. And what does that mean? It means you need to network, you need to connect, you need to have eyeballs on your stuff. You need people to talk to or people to put your information in front of so that the interested ones will raise their hand and say, yes, I want to work from you. I want to buy from you. I want to join your team, whatever it is that you do in your primary business. And on social media, oftentimes, one of the biggest complaints that I receive from my clients is, I know I need to be talking to people. I know I need to be meeting people, but I'm busy, Lindsay. I've got small kids. I've got a 9-to-5 job that I'm trying to leave. I've got all these other competing things on my time. I don't have all day, every day, to be prospecting and networking with a bunch of people and spend all my time in my messenger inbox having these conversations. So what do? How can I get people to see what it is that I have to offer? How can I get people to see how I can help them if I don't have time to do that all day? And that's where your profile comes into play. So let's head on over to my profile so I can show you exactly what I mean. Here we are on my Facebook profile, and this is a profile, not a business page. And I highly recommend, especially if you are in the network marketing space, that you utilize your Facebook profile instead of a business page. If you don't have money to run for advertising, people are not going to see your posts and your content on the business page. That really is truly for a business that is going to run paid advertising. But when you're networking and you're in network marketing or you're in coaching, you need to be able to connect with people who are going to be able to check you out and see your content. And that's why the profile is so powerful. So a couple areas of the profile I want to point out to you today so you can go back and make important tweaks to your profile and let it do a little bit more of the talking for you. Now, first and foremost, when you head on over to the profile, regardless of whether or not you're on a mobile device or a desktop computer, the cover photo is one of the most prominent things that people will see when they come over to your profile. And so you want to be taking advantage of that space. You want to show people how it is that you can help them, or you want to show them the lifestyle that you're able to create and you can help them create if they were to work with you or buy your products or services. So it shouldn't be a banner showing your company's products because people don't care, but it should be something that inspires them or bonds them, connects them with you. And in this case, mine is an advertisement for how I can help you right up front. I'm not selling anything here, but I do happen to have a marketing app, and I can link to it below so you guys can jump on there and go check it out, that gives away a bunch of bonus content and free training that I put together each and every single week. This allows people to check me out in a very safe way and see if they like my style, see if I can help them, and see if they would be a good fit for what I teach and I train in my coaching programs. Now, this photo here isn't actually clickable, but I've got the word click here, and I'm going to show you a little secret. If you've been around Facebook for any length of time, you know that when you post outside links, Facebook isn't going to show your content to as many people. Why is that? Because they want to keep you on their platform. So you can post links all day long to your Facebook groups or to your business page, but if you want to send people somewhere off of Facebook, you need to do it in a way that is going to fly under the radar. That's why this cover photo is such a neat trick, because you can put the words "click here," and when someone clicks here, you can go ahead and update the description in the post. And you don't have to worry about the algorithm and whether or not this is going to show up in somebody's timeline feed, because it's always there. It is static on your profile. So right here in my profile, I'm able to put the link to joining my app, and it will take them off of Facebook. And then I'm also able to put a link to allow people to join my Facebook community. So just by them coming to my page, I don't have to say a word to them, and I can already bring them into 2 other environments where I can continue to communicate with them over and over again through my content, even on the days that I'm busy, even on the days my kids are sick, even on the days that I just don't feel like getting up and having a bunch of conversations with people. So this is the first place that I suggest that you take advantage of this real estate and you leverage this to do some of the talking for you. The other place that I'm going to tell you is very important is this little intro bio section right here. And go around and take a look at some of the leaders in your space, whether that be your company or your industry or your business space. Look at what they have in these areas. You can put anything you want in this space within limits, because there is a character limit on this bio section. But what it is that you really want to convey is, how are you going to help that other person? Too often I see people put things like mom, entrepreneur, dog lover, and you may want to share that with people, but it doesn't give them any indication of how it is that you can help them. Mine's a little bit cheeky, I'm going to be real with you, but my whole goal is to get people to join the app so they can continue to see how I help them. If you have a link to a lead magnet, you could put that in this place. You need to explain it a little within the reason of the character limits, but put the link to your lead magnet. If you have a website, you could put that here. If you have an email list that you want to bring people to, if you have a YouTube channel, it is endless, the opportunities for what you can put here. And so many people overlook this space. They just put a bunch of stuff about themselves. And if you are building an online business on social media, you have to get it into your head that it's always about what's in it for them. Nobody cares if you're a dog lover unless that helps and solves some problem in their life. So figure out what's in it for them that you can deliver, and make sure that you don't miss out on the opportunity to drive them somewhere from Facebook. Because again, this is another space where you're not going to be punished for putting an outside link. And you want to be taking advantage of those things, because you can't do it on your profile. You can't do it in your timeline feed without being penalized, but you can do it in these spots. And you will be amazed at how many people come over to your profile and take a look, and your profile will do the talking and they will click, and you'll get more leads and you'll make sales even on the days that you can't show up and run your business full out. Now, the last place that I want to show you, and then we'll wrap up this video, because there's lots of other videos on this channel on how to build out your Facebook profile versus a Facebook business page if you want to advertise, and how to attract your ideal clients. So go ahead and check out those videos on this channel. But today, the last thing I want to share with you is this intro section. And again, this is a great place to share outside links with your audience and allow them to see you on multiple platforms. If you have an Instagram account, if you have a Pinterest account, a YouTube channel, a website, a Facebook group, all of those links can be added here. And it gives the appearance that you are all over on social media, even though you don't have to do that much work. Now, if that sounds like something you'd be into, make sure you go and check out this video afterwards on how to be everywhere on social media without driving yourself crazy. So this is another way right over here in the intro section for you to promote your other marketing channels, for your profile to do the talking for you, and for you to take people into sales environments where you can make those sales from them, enroll them in your company, your products, your services, even on the days that you can't have those one-on-one conversations on your profile. So I hope this was helpful for you today. I am all about helping you simplify, create, leverage, and make sure that your business continues to move forward while you go ahead and live your life. So I will see you in the next video.